Hi there, and today we are going to learn about how to use ClickUp Folders. So here I am in my ClickUp workspace, and you can use folders here in your workspace so that you can organize your different projects, your different documents, and so on and so forth. So in order to create a folder, what you need to do is that you need to go right here to your list of spaces, right here in the spaces option, and then choose a space that you have. So for example, I have this team space right here. And then what we're going to do is that we're going to expand all of the features right here in the team space, all of the lists, all of the documents, by just clicking this arrow button right here. So when you click on it, it will be minimized, and then when you click on it again, it will maximize all of the items right here. So if you want to make a folder, just click the plus button and then click folder right here. Then from here, you can go ahead and name the folder. So for example, I'll say projects, and then for the description, so this is optional, but you can still insert a description right here. So I'll say this folder contains all of the projects in this space. And then for the settings, for the statuses that you can use, you can go ahead and inherit from the space or use custom statuses. And then you can use different templates right here. So I will just select inherit from space and then click apply changes. Then from here, you can make your folder private or you can make it public. So it depends on your preference. And then you can go ahead and create the folder. If you want to use a template, you can do so as well, and I will show it later. So right now, I will click create. Now we have our folder right here, and then it will automatically create a list right here. But if you don't need it, you can just delete it. So what I will do first is that I will insert the projects inside of this folder. So I will insert project 1 and project 2. So I can just click and drag the project inside of this folder right here, and then you should see the line inside of the folder so that you will know that it will be inserted inside of the projects folder. Then as you can see, project 1 is now inside of the projects folder. Then for project 2, I will do the same thing. So now I have organized my items right here inside of the projects folder. So if I don't need this list item, I can just click the three dots, click delete, and then it will be deleted from that folder. And then if you want to use templates, you can just go ahead, click the plus button again, click folder, and then click use templates. And then as you can see, you will have the template center right here in ClickUp, and then you will turn on this folder template right here so that all of the templates that are shown is relating to folders. So from here, just go ahead and choose a specific template, but I will use this one, the task management template. So once I click on it, it will show the description, the status group, the custom fields, view types, and automations. So you can click on it to view more information about them. And then just click use template right here so that it will be applied to your ClickUp workspace. So from here, you can insert a folder name, but if not, it will use the default task management folder name. Then you can go ahead and choose the specific space that you will apply this folder template. So I will use team space. Then you can also choose if you want to import everything or import specific items. And then for the start and due dates, you can import it as it is or remap the dates. And then I will just choose import as is. And then if you want to include archive tasks, you can do so as well. And then click use template. Then you'll just wait for it to finish right here. It says loading task management template. So now it is in success, and then as you can see, it will automatically create the task management folder along with its template items, which are the action items, backlog, and ideas. And then that is basically it. So that is how we can use ClickUp folders right here in ClickUp. And then I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.